In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page to your WordPress website using Elementor. This process is straightforward and perfect for those who want to create a stunning page with ease. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your command center for all things related to your website, so getting familiar with it is always a plus. Once you're in, head over to the main dashboard. You're going to direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Find Pages, and when you click on it, a drop-down will appear. Select Add New. Now, it's time to give your page a title. Think about what this page will represent on your website. Whether it's an About Us page, a shop section, or even just a simple contact page, having a clear title will help with both organization and SEO. Type in the title and then notice the big blue button that says Edit with Elementor at the top of your screen. This button is your gateway to the visual creativity that Elementor offers. Go ahead and click Edit with Elementor. This action will launch the Elementor Visual Builder. If you've never used it before, get ready for a treat. This builder is highly intuitive and allows you to drag and drop various elements to craft your page exactly how you want it. Look to the left panel, you'll find a range of widgets like text boxes, images, and headings. Simply drag your chosen widget from the panel directly onto your page. As you start building, think about the layout. Elementor uses a system of sections and columns that offer a seamless way to structure your content. You can easily add or delete columns and adjust their width and alignment to get the perfect balance. Customization is key here. You have full control over styling, including colors, fonts, and spacing. This is where you can ensure your new page matches the overall theme of your website. Don't forget to check the responsiveness as well, so your page looks great on both computers and mobile devices. For those using Elementor Pro or Shopcore, there's a treasure trove of advanced widgets at your disposal. Incorporate things like forms, WooCommerce widgets, sliders, countdowns, and compelling call to action buttons to elevate your page's interactivity and appeal. Once you've played around and are satisfied with your design, click the small eye icon at the top right of the screen. This preview feature allows you to see how your page will look to visitors. Take a moment to review everything and make any final tweaks if needed. Finally, when you're happy with everything, hit the publish button. Your new page is now live and ready to be explored by your audience. Congrats, you've successfully added a new page to your WordPress site using Elementor.